Welcome to Piedmont Technical Experts, the 3 S's of computer support, why everyone needs computer support. I know what you're saying to yourself right now. Computers break, but I can handle it. Or I've got a staff that can handle it. Or, worst case, I'll just go out and buy a new machine. All of which are completely valid options. But let's just take a couple of minutes to discuss the 3 S's of why you need good computer support. What are the 3 S's of computer support, you ask? Stuff breaks, stuff happens, and stuff gets stuck. I promise it will all make sense soon. Stuff breaks, the no-brainer of the S's. I won't read the slide here, but as an example, a hard drive crashes. What do? Well, you replace the hard drive. Or if the computer's of a certain age, you would likely just buy a new computer. In either event, you hope you've got your data out on a cloud like OneDrive, or you otherwise have a backup of the data somewhere. As another example, I applied a Windows update and now my Kyocera printer stopped working. Or as a final example, my computer is 10 years old and seems slow. Well, no, your computer is 10 years old and is slow. These are all reasons why you need good computer support. Famous last words. It will only take 5 minutes. Or with servers, it will only take 15 minutes. And what was thought to be a simple task takes hours or days or maybe even weeks to complete. And in the worst case, you might end up in the exact same place as where you started. As another example, a user clicking on links, and now my computer's been hijacked and my customer data is on the dark web. Or, as another example, software was not meant to run indefinitely. It was made to eventually require upgrades. The longer you wait between updating your software, the harder it is to successfully complete. Again, all of these are reasons for having good computer support available to you and your organization. Stuff gets stuck. Okay, this first one's a little bit of a stretch, but on occasion we still see an XP machine floating out there. Let's just go ahead and dispel the idea that you're going to successfully perform this upgrade and have a stable system at the end, especially if you're running a 32-bit version of Windows XP. What you are likely going to do is a clean install with Windows 10, then upgrade to Windows 11 when it is released. Or you may just start off at a Windows 11 install depending on when the work is done. In either event, the best case scenario is you will need a good backup of that system so you can restore the documents. If you were to attempt the in-place upgrade, going from version to version, you will most likely end up with an unstable system because of the little gremlins in your system from multiple in-place upgrades. This is also true of in-place server upgrades as well. This next example of the computer not letting you log in because of a trust issue with the domain is an easy one to fix. All you need is a local admin account and a domain admin account. And what you will do is disjoin your computer from the domain and rejoin it. A user loses a file. Do you know how the most efficient ways to search for a file? Do you know how to find a file inside a backup set? Those are reasons why you need good computer support. Okay, stop. The FBI always recommends against paying ransomware ransoms. Why? Number one, it makes you a future target. If a black hat sees that you paid a ransom before, they will believe you will pay a ransom again. So then you become a future target threat. 2, you are funding the black hats to do it to other people and other organizations. 3, you are potentially funding terrorist groups. In the past, terrorist organizations have used ransomware as a way to make funding. The proper solution here is to have solutions in place that can negate ransomware attacks. Have people that know how to use and manage those solutions. Most importantly, have a plan in place before it happens. How can Piedmont Technical Experts help you? After 20 years in the industry, I feel like I've got some knowledge. I've done a lot and I've seen a lot. I've worked with just about every business vertical you can think of, just like all the other engineers here at Piedmont Technical Experts. Between our partnerships and relationships, we have access to over 250 partner programs, letting us build near an infinite number of solutions. The best part is our relationships make it so that even if we aren't able to do the work directly, we have a trusted vendor-partner relationship that will be able to do that work for you. Unlike computers, engineers do get better with age or experience, just like a fine wine. Even with our decades of experience, we don't stop or rest in a comfort area. We are constantly adding to our skill sets. Any solution we advocate for, we have 99 out of 100 times either currently run that solution in our own environment or minimally have ran it in our environment in the past. We don't let untested, unproven solutions go out the door. When it comes to upselling, we just say no. We right-size your solution for your organization and your needs. Feel free to contact us at piedmonttechnicalexperts.com/contact-us or give us a call or shoot us an email. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.